So in this video, I'll show you how to use multitasking with split screen in HarmonyOS 4.3 on MatePad 11.5. Okay, so if you want to use multitasking with split screen, to increase your multitasking, you can open one app first, like for example a browser. Then you can slide toward like from the side, right or left, towards the center and hold. Instead of just doing it quickly to go back, hold. And now it will open this multitasking bar. Now you have some app suggestions here, but I can click on this button to open all the available apps. And now let's select maybe the notes, let's say, and drag it to right or left side to put it on either of the sides. Now we have the notes right here. And you can see we can use both at the same time, right? So we can use this and that, and like I can scroll down, then write a note about it. Whatever, we can copy something, for example that, copy, then let's add a text, for example. There's so many options of what you can do here. Let's paste it, and now I'm gonna resize it a little bit because now it's a little bit too big. I'll just resize it. Oh, it's gonna be hard to resize it. Yeah, now it's gonna be working. Yeah, I was actually, I think, moving it instead of resizing now, but I'll try doing my best. Yeah, okay. You can see I can do it. I can, of course, increase the font size, but I'll first need to select everything. Okay, let's go back because it's not actually not something I wanted to do. I just wanted to select the whole text. Yeah, and now change its font size so it's a bit bigger. Yeah, and that's how you can do it. You can, of course, resize these windows. So one of them is bigger, one of them is smaller. You can click on this bar at the top. No, you can't click. You can drag it. You can drag this bar. No, you can't. So, like, what the bar is for, I thought you can do something with it because it would make sense. But you can't. So yeah, this is how it basically works here with the multitasking. If you want, you can totally close one of the apps by sliding all the way to the side, and now you can see it works. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.